Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix auto brightness not working on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and disable and enable adaptive brightness in these settings. So we're going to go over into the settings. Now we're going to go over and scroll down to display and brightness. And here we have the brightness section. Now we want to enable automatic. And if it's not doing anything for you, make sure to disable it and enable it again. And it basically increases my brightness from time to time. Now what we want to do is we want to go over and clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. So we want to clean the entire front camera. This is the best way. I got the microfiber cloth right here. And what are we going to do is we're going to give it a few scrubs just like this. And now it should be good. It is lowering my brightness right now a little. So now whenever I put this out, it will increase it again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable it so you guys can see something in the video. But the next step is to restart the phone to refresh the sensor. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button, and tap on the restart. Tap again to restart it. And now all we need to do is wait. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, after the restart, what are we going to do as a last resort is open up the settings app and here scroll down until we see system and updates. Now, system and updates, we're going to click on the software update right up top here, the first option. And I do have a new version available. It is checking automatically. We're going to click on software version and here we're going to click install. That will install the latest version for us. And that's basically it for a video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.